Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
And I'm Shelby.
And today is day 6. Day 6th.
6th.
Today is day 6. It is the 6th of December. And so we're going to put up another of the fashion jewelry advent calendar. You can find the link down below in the description. And we're on day 6, like I just said. I think it's my turn. All right.
Just don't tear it off this time.
Yeah, I kind of, that was the little styrofoam, which I appreciate because it's keeping everything from. So what did you say it was going to be today?
An actual charm.
She says it's going to be an actual charm. All right. So what do you guys think? Do you think she's right? What do you think? Quick, make a comment down below and let us know what you think. Did she get the charm that she thought she was going to get?
Yes.
What is it?
Cute little Christmas tree.
Oh, that is cute. I do like how they're protected in here. As you can't see, they've got a nice little styrofoam so nothing gets jarred around. So everything is staying nice looking. So 3 charms. Yeah, 3 charms. Yeah, the butterfly, candy cane, Christmas tree, and then 3 spacer beads, and the bracelet. All right, what do you think we're going to get tomorrow?
Spacer.
All right. She says spacer. I'm going to disagree. I think we're going to get a charm. So be sure you come back tomorrow and see who is right. We hope you've enjoyed. We hope you'll consider subscribing and liking this video. Remember, every time you view one of our videos, it's a big help to us and certainly makes us feel good. And we want you to keep coming back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.